Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? May all the goodness always be with you. So, in this section, I will give you some information about PowerLink budget application design, Android-based in FTTH network. Before we jump to the information, may I introduce myself first. My name is Salma. My major in Telkom University is Diploma Telecommunication Engineering. So let's get started. So this application inspired by how can calculate a link budget, fiber optic network quickly, easily perform, and accessible anywhere and anytime. So according to our development technologies, most people in the world using smartphone, especially Android. According to PEW Research Group, 66% people using Android for their lifesaver. So we can choose Android to build this application. For the basic application calculation, link budget using many elements that connected in fiber optic, like connector, splice, splitter, and insertion loss of the cable. All that element following to the standard in PT telecommunication access. There are some layout in that application like help layout, about layout, and calculation layout. That three layout have the different function. For example, like help layout. This layout is to explain about how to use this application. And then next about layout. We can see the profile of the biography of the application designer in about layout. And next is calculation layout. The calculation layout is to calculate PowerLink budget in FTTH network. There are two buttons in this application. There are total button and clear button. Total button is to average all the link budget, and clear button is for clean your calculation before. And the Android specification to use this application is 4.1 or Android Jelly Bean. Before we jump to the design application, we must know about the fiber optic. Because without fiber optic, the link budget can be done. Fiber optic is transmission line that made from glass. It is used for light transmission from transceiver for receiver. The light source that used in the fiber optic is laser. This is the structure of fiber optic. There are coating, cladding, and core. Each structure have different function. Attenuation, dispersion, bandwidth, and loss can make fiber optic be down, because attenuation make the process of transmission from fiber optic slow. And next, the description about PowerLink budget. PowerLink budget is estimated power requirements to ensure receiver level is greater than threshold level. And link budget used to determine maximum distance that can be achieved by optical fiber transmission system. The design of this application using Android Studio and using Java, and there are many applications that connected to in fiber optic that I told before, like connector, splicing, and splitter, and etc. So Android have many functions in our life, right? Besides, we can use to chat with our friend, we can use to calculate PowerLink budget in FTTH network. Thank you, that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.